what was once probably a lovely tree-lined lane, there appears to be a little yellow house, abandoned, no glass in the windows, and a little barn off to the side as well. But the snow doesn't look horribly deep, so we're gonna have a closer look at this little yellow house and see what there is to see.
Well, ain't this cute? Oh, there's a beer can. I'll bet somebody's hung out in this before. Oh, and this.
I don't see a steering or anything. Like, what is this?
What's left of a... This is like an old trailer, it looks like.
Oh, it's just a trailer.
It's just like an old little cargo trailer.
Oh, I see. Okay. Hey, Dustin, it's the camper you wanted.
This might be a bad idea. I could camp this. I could make this work.
You would.
I would, actually.
Not gonna lie, I do like the idea of a teardrop trailer. Just one a bit newer, if you don't mind.
There's a nice little mound of dirt here that I can balance my boot on. But yeah, here's another look at the living room here. It looks like there's an attic space. There's a fireplace there with a chimney going up. You can see up into the attic there. Oh yeah, we got that box spring that Rita saw. There's the couch. You can see the floor is just destroyed. All right, we're gonna move over to this room here. So this probably would have been a bedroom then, eh?
Or, I don't know, I'd lean toward living room because look, there's a ladder going down into a basement space. There would have been a trapdoor originally. You can see the cut in the floorboards.
There's actually legit a ladder.
Yeah, you can see that there's a cut in the floorboards that used to be the hatch, which is now gone, and then a ladder going down.
That is sketch.
So I wouldn't put something like that in a bedroom that has like furniture and stuff unless the bed was over top of the crawl space.
This feels more like it would have been a living room over here though. It had the fireplace and a couch. I mean, you can pick what your living room is. It's your house, it's your rules. Sorry.
There's still a hook in the ceiling. They would have had a hanging plant or something in front of their window.
Oh yeah, I see that. Well, definitely not stepping foot on that.
No, I have 1 foot inside, but that's it.
And that ladder there, that's how low-budget horror movies start. Yeah, feeding trough over here, going the entire width of the barn. It looks like they had like either a bench or a shelf over here.
It's just an empty floor. There's not even garbage up here.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this other beautiful roadside find of this little yellow house, this barn, and that beautiful little trailer over there. So this is going to be kind of a mixed bag for Iwouldcampthat rating, because I don't know that I would camp in that house or this barn, but that little trailer, if I cleaned it up and patched it up a little bit, I'd say maybe a 7 out of 10. Favorable weather.
Yeah, I mean, the trailer looks a little cramped. I would lean more towards this barn because the flooring is like absolutely stable and there's not much for exposed nails. All you would really need is a broom and maybe a cot in your setup. But the wind makes everything a lot colder. Yeah,
all the openings in this barn, there's really, a lot of the places we go into, we have good shelter from the wind. Like there were corners in that house where it was safe to walk, where it was just dirt foundation. I could get in there and get out of the wind, but in here, you don't really have any reprieve from the wind. Anyways, let's make our way back to the truck and we'll hit the road.
Awesome.
See y'all next time.